In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the BBCRM Do Not Text customization. I've downloaded the installation package to my desktop. It's just a zip file, so I'm going to extract it. Inside that folder, you'll see a BBAppFX folder and a structure under that that mirrors that of your BBCRM server. There's a vroot bin custom with a couple of DLLs, and inside vroot there's also a browser HTML forms custom with a folder for this customization. I'm simply going to take that BBAppFX folder and copy it to my server. On this machine, the server is on my local machine, so it's C program files blackbaud. I'll paste it here, and it'll ask me for permission, which I'll give. There, now the files are in place. That process should be pretty familiar to anyone who's done BBCRM installations before. Now I'm going to go into CRM, and I'm going to navigate there to Administration, Application, Catalog Browser. Once that loads, I'm going to filter for a type of package and an author of Cyan software. I'm going to click on the Do Not Text package and load it. Now that the package is loaded, I'm going to click Refresh Shell Navigation, and then I'm going to go over to Administration, SSC License Keys, and paste in the license key that I got when I downloaded the product. It recognizes that as a valid key, and I'll click Save. Now the product's installed, but I'm going to walk through one more step, which is to configure the code table for the Do Not Text reason. So I'm going to go to Administration again, Code Tables. I'll filter for a type of constituent. Click Apply. You'll notice the Do Not Text reason is here. I'll click on that. Obviously, you can enter whatever's appropriate for your organizational needs. I'm going to enter just one called Constituent Requested as an example. I'll click OK. Now the product is configured and ready to use. You can see it if you go to a constituent record. I'll pick our old friend Robert Hernandez. Then navigate to the Contact tab and try to add or edit a phone number. So if I add a phone number, I'll see Do Not Text this phone number as a new option with my reason of constituent requested. I'll see the same thing if I edit a phone number. Do Not Text. The reason's optional, but I'll pick one and save it. And once I've saved it, I'll see the Do Not Text flag on the summary panel here. And if I go to Analysis Information Library, I'll see it in Query as well. This is a simple customization, but it's really useful to organizations, firstly to track Do Not Text requests and keep that in CRM as a system of record. And secondly, so that you can export it to third-party systems that you use for SMS. I'll go down to the Phones tab and see Do Not Text and Do Not Text reason as available. There, the product is installed and ready to use. Thank you.